Good.
Part 3.
Crusty. All right. So first, we're gonna let's go for them. All right. Some fresh look towers. We gotta split them. We gotta flip this thing around.
You gonna introduce the viewers?
What?
Part
There's
3.
no way I can do this by myself. Yeah, I will, and after you help me with this. Okay. Things bare. All right, part 3. We're gonna try to throw the cam in. We're gonna fit the lifters, see if they rotate in their bores. We'll show you that later. And then timing chain, hopefully. What else? We're gonna put the oil pump on, but we lost the gasket.
Weird.
We gotta clean up the rockers. Might be able to throw the heads on.
Show the rockers.
Rockers are
Pretty gummed up.
pretty messed up, but I started cleaning them. They're pretty
Cleaned up pretty
promising.
good.
Yeah, just takes some time, but see if these work. See how much we got to hone on these.
Ooh, they look like they're good. That fit look good.
A little sticky. A little sticky. They do feel nice, yeah. Won't take much cleaning to get them to fall right
What
down
are they
in.
supposed to do? Just fall right in?
Yeah, you should be able to just get it started. Should be able to just let it go and just go. That one's pretty tight. But yeah, we'll just take some. They usually have little stone hones you can run in there, but we don't have one, so we're just gonna use paper. But like that one right there is perfect. Look at that one. That's perfect. Perfect. That one's good, but we'll clean them all up. Get them soaking in some oil. I know that's probably controversial for some unknown reason, but we're gonna get some oil on them. Let's get them soaking. That's nice. We're not gonna pump them up or anything stupid. We're just gonna, it's basically just to get them started. Just get them lubricating, get them all soaked. Yeah, what else? What else? That's about it.
Yeah, we'll do an update in a second.
All right, so we got this first one. We're just taking a piece of sandpaper and just kind of running it through there a little bit. Just, we want it so that it can rotate, so should barely should just slide. See, it's still sticking a little. We might have to go through it one more time, but should be pretty well loose in there. It's still a little sticky, but it should slide through. Should slide through with minimal effort. This one's about pretty good, but see, that's close.
Where's the one we were going off of? Where's the good one?
The good one, there is a good one somewhere.
That one's good.
One just slides right through though. They're all
that
pretty
one.
good. This one? They're all pretty good, but we just want to go through and take whatever surface rust could have started in those bores. They should slide through because you want these to be able to spin when the cam hits them, or otherwise we're going to be burning the cam out. So
No good.
no good.
All right, we'll get working on it a little bit and do an update. What are you doing?
Lubing up the cam. Getting installed. Where's that second sack of this?
Right there. It's like just enough.
They really, yeah, they give you the bare minimum. Gotta use it, you gotta save this too to put on the lifter ends. So basically, stuff's thick.
Alright. Moment of truth.
My breathing.
Yeah, sorry about her breathing in all these videos. I'm a big kid.
Nice and easy. Absolutely scoring the burn shit.
There we go. One more.
Careful.
There she is.
Yeah, lift up on the end. There you go.
There it is.
Is that it?
Yep.
Sweet. Cam is in.
Cam's in and greased. This one got ungreased right here. I'm gonna cover it back up. Yeah.
All right, so I did a little more cleaning on the rockers, the rocker shafts, and I don't know if these are gonna be usable. Let's see if I can get on focus here. There's lots of pitting on the shaft. And what else? Oh yeah, right here it looks like one got ran dry, a rocker on the shaft. And it left some pretty deep grooves. But I'm not sure if the pitting matters. It probably does. That's probably can deal with that, but the other one's the same way. It's got pitting from all the moisture that was in this motor when we opened it up. We were doing an autopsy on it, and we realized that the timing cover ate through from being run so long, and the coolant went in through that, so that's what killed this motor, we were guessing. But let's see if I can get this thing to focus. There's all the rust that's on these rockers, and it's crusty. I did clean some up, but I just think that they're beyond savability, being saved. The rust is even on the surfaces where it rides, which is not good. I can deal with it being like on the outside. On the outside's fine, but when you start getting it on this lip where it's riding and pitting that's just gonna eat itself apart basically. So I think See, here's another bad one. I think we're gonna end up having to get new rockers and new rocker shafts, but we'll see. I also cleaned up the head studs or head bolts and the rocker bolts. They're ready to go. The cam's in and the lifters are soaking. And lifter bores have all been honed, so they're ready for the lifters. They slide freely. I think the next step is timing chain, and we'll get back to you then. Yeah, start.
All right, we're rolling. So last time we left off, he was doing some video. So who knows how good it is? Come on. But he's giving the old tapper-tapperoo on the old cam here.
Yeah.
Putting the cam pulleys on.
Timing chain's on.
Timing chain's on.
Tea's being drank.
The tea's being drank.
Big Mopar.
9-inch Black Johnson.
If
you know, you know.
Put this on. Red Mopar.
What's that?
This is what the fuel pump runs on. This is just a big cam lobe. And remember that fuel pump you bought with the arm? Sticks in here, goes, and it pumps.
I don't even remember where the fuel pump mounts. It's like over here, or no?
It mounts right on the timing cover.
There, folks.
Absolutely, there we go, okay. I gotta look up what torque spec. I don't know how you're gonna hold it to torque it, but.
Jam a screwdriver in it.
Pretty much dot to dot. Do not,
Should I get close? Yeah, we'll get close.
That's pretty messed up.
Hold on, guys. Bear with us.
PC.
All right. So we got the old marks lined up best we can. You can't really see it now, but yeah, it's lined up.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. It's okay. So what else we got going on over here? We got these nice stainless steel hardware kit.
Shot them out.
We haven't even tried them yet. Yeah, but they could be bad. But this is a pretty nice kit. Everything's nice and pre-labeled and comes all organized. We got the seal in here. What is this, your crank? What's the name of this technical name?
Just for the harmonic balancer.
Harmonic balancer seal. You press that in. Get a little tapperoo. Cleaned off these surfaces here. Putting the gaskets on. We're gonna put the water pump, the timing cover on. What do you got going on?
Well, I'm gonna put a little bit of pipe dope on the inlet tube. Some people say not to, some people say to. We're gonna, just because.
So if we do it wrong, just do the opposite of what we do. A little dope.
So it smells like poopy. If you messed with it before, you know.
Love some dope. Can't go wrong.
That's inappropriate.
Get your mittens cleaned off. There you go. It does kind of stink. Whoa. What else we got going on over here? We got the old Pro kit. That's nice. It looks pretty good. The dual chain. You got that lubed up too. You're supposed to add some lube to it. We did.
That's freaking tight, bud. Is that right or not?
I mean, that's where it looks like it should go.
Very level. Right there. Where's the pan at?
Let's test fit the pan.
What?
Oh yeah, show them the dent. That's supposedly supposed to be in that. I don't know.
It's supposed to be in here, folks.
I don't know.
Doesn't really look it. Sus.
I think they're lying to me. At Jags. Waited on the phone for an hour just for them to tell me that
Guys,
it's
take
supposed
a look
to be
at this
there.
quality though. You ready?
Yeah.
Get on in there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Oh yeah, that's supposed to be in there. Okay.
Yeah, dent's supposed to be there.
I'll probably look like a big idiot because it probably is supposed to be there,
Well,
but
yeah, the gasket's supposed to be there, but Jesus. Could be a little closer, guys. Gee.
But we're gonna color match that as well. Eventually.
Yeah, that looks pretty good, like pretty level, I'd say.
Fasten that down. Torque it up.
So basically, what I was told is you don't need a gasket for this. Right here.
Yeah, we scrambled around looking for the oil pump gasket for a
I'm
while.
just gonna do a little bit of that.
We did some research. He's just gonna shellac it.
A little bit of the wrong stuff on there. Alright. Try not to get it everywhere. Just a thin coating everywhere.
Just a little extra protection.
Yeah, well,
Where's that hardware?
should be 2 bolts over there.
Yeah.
Alright. So I'm just gonna set her down on. Like so.
I'll have to cut this and get the torque spec.
Yeah.
So I'll cut back to when we're about to torque this down.
Yeah, so it's 35 foot-pounds, so we're basically putting it
In no man's land.
a bit below 50, maybe, like that.
Because our wrench only goes 50.
So we have a 27 foot long torque wrench. What size is it?
9/16.
Moment of truth. There you go. Beautiful.
Decent.
Oil pump's done.
It's probably our stopping point for tonight. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Probably be daylight when we pull the camera back out. So, yeah, have a good night.